Okay, so today's inspection has got two goals. I'm going to try to swap out the feeder with a gallon bag because more insects, maybe even more so than the bees, are utilizing that feeder. And then I'm also going to check and hopefully make sure that the queen has fully escaped her cage. So I'm just kind of smoking myself. New perfume. So alright, so I'm going to remove the feeder, which it's got a bee in there right now. So I don't know how well this is working. But bees have been using it, but I thought I'd put it more inside. And it doesn't really sit well on this hive anyway, so I don't know, it's a waste of money. So, I've already poked a couple holes in this bag. So, my goal is to close this up. Now I'm going to remove the top. And so now I'm not going to need this bungee cord anymore. The top one I'm still going to keep. Alright, and that's a lot of bees on top. Alright, and okay. That's really wedged in there good. Huh. Okay, well, I guess that's a good thing that there's so many on top here. I'm not going to need this. I'm going to take my other tools out of my pocket so it can be a little bit more organized. But what oh, that ain't good. Oh boy. I thought I had a piece of wood in there. Okay, so I'm going to try to figure out how to get this wood out. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm going to put the food on top of that. So now we got to inspect the hive. So let's kind of smoke these guys a little bit. Sorry to bother. I just don't want any alarm signals going off here. Alright. So let's take off the queen excluder. And we're just going to set that right there. So now, alright, so there's bees over here. Just this last frame is barely touched. So I'm going to just move this last frame. Alright, so it looks like the queen is out of the box. So that is amazing. That's great. They ate a lot of the candy that was guarding her. So without being too invasive, I'm going to utilize these. And take out the queen box. Let's put this frame back in without squishing any bees. Alright, queen's gone. Alright, so there we go. So we got the bag replaced. Oh, we got the food replaced. So now, hopefully, to get a view on what these frames look like, if we got any. I don't know, just a bunch of linked together bees. A lot of linked together bees. There's some honeycomb or whatever, broods or whatever, but this one's got stuff happening on it. So that's awesome. See, you can tell by the weight when they're started. There's some comb on that one. So yeah, so cool. So the queen is out. They're probably getting all the nursery going. All right, so cool. I'm gonna let them be. No pun intended. All right, so we're gonna put this back on because we want the queen to stay. Okay. I know. I'll smoke you guys, or smoke myself. Okay. So now I'm going to put this back and hopefully not squish these bees. All right. And then, well, with the bees, oh shoot, yeah, I'm gonna have to brush these bees off because I think if I put the bag on, these ones will be trapped. So I don't want to trap any bees, but I do want them to have access to yummy food, sugar water. All right, yeah, so why don't y'all go in there? Okay, yeah. All right, yeah, so why don't y'all go in there? All right, there we go. So now we got some food. I'm assuming, let's find a spot where I poked a hole. That would be the best. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right. So, there we go. Mission accomplished. They're settling in. That's great. And now their home won't be as inviting to other bugs. Now I just gotta figure out how to close this darn thing. It always is a pain. There we go. All right, I can take away some of these bungee cords now, except for the one on top. I just don't want that top blown away again. It happened before the bees were here. So there we go. Mission success. Thank you for watching. God bless.